As we age, just like our skin, our hair can go through changes. Alma TED is designed to help improve the health and quality of your hair. Alma TED combines a specialized ultrasound device with a serum containing growth factors and peptides to stimulate the scalp and support hair growth. The procedure is completely pain-free and takes about 30 minutes per session. The treatment protocol is similar to PRP. For best results, we recommend starting with 3 sessions, each 4 to 6 weeks apart, followed by a 4th session approximately 6 months after the first one. After completing the initial series, results can typically be maintained with 2 treatments per year, or roughly 1 every 6 months, depending on your goals and hair needs. Alma TED is also very compatible with PRP, and many patients choose to have both treatments done in the same visit to maximize their time, results, and support healthier, stronger hair. During this visit, we'll review your goals, explain the process, and answer any questions so you feel fully informed and confident before starting treatment. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.